Meteorologist Scott Dorval with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
All right, we had snow last night, but the temperatures with the storm last night were from 35, then cool down to 32, 31, maybe down to 30 degrees. With the prior storm, we were sitting at 27 when the snow came in. And that's why we had horrible road conditions with the first storm as opposed to the storm last night. We still actually had some accumulations, a little less than I thought in Ada County. In fact, let's take a look at some of the observations that have come into the weather office here. And these are the snow totals from last night's storm. So in Ada County, a little less than expected, although southeast Boise, 1.6 inches is about what I would have thought. I was thinking maybe 2 to 2.5 in the Boise area, so less. 0.6 to 1.6 in two Meridian observations, 1.1 in Garden City, an inch in Emmett, and then Mountain Home at 1.4 inches. That little white circle you see there to the west, that's where there was a winter storm warning, between 1 inch way south of Nampa to 3.5 inches in the west side of Nampa, and then 2.5 inches southwest of Caldwell, 3 inches near Parma, 3.5 in Ontario, and 2.5 in Weezer. So there was more snow to the west. But again, as I mentioned yesterday, you got to watch it quickly because it's going to melt very quickly as the temperatures warm during the day. And how about our snowpack? Since we checked last, numbers are up again, and we finally cracked 100% going above average in a couple of basins. The Weezer Basin at 104% of average, the Payette Basin right at average, 100%, and the Boise Basin up a percentage point to 97%, and Northern Idaho is going up 1 or 2 points. But again, south of the Snake River, Salmon Falls Basin, 94%. These places were in the 60s, upper 50s as far as percentages before we had all this heavy snow, and even the Owyhee Basin was in the low 70s, about 72%, now up to 81%. It continues to climb, which is great news because that's the basin that needs the snow, and it's tough to get it late season because it tends to warm up, but we have a cooler than normal weather pattern ahead, and so that may bode well for the Owyhee Basin with some more moisture coming in. 39 degrees right now, partly cloudy sky. There's been some showers during the afternoon, a few of them scattered about. We see 37 in Ontario. It's 46 in Robe, Oregon. 32 in McCall, had a few inches of snow in Long Valley, but then the road conditions, high to 55, improving during the afternoon. Rain showers have been clearing out, so Ada and Canyon County are mostly dry right now, but you see southern Ada County still has a rain shower. And there's going to be a front. That moisture you see to the west there, Baker City and John Day, there's a frontal system that's going to come through tonight. And with unstable air, we could get, we're going to be talking about getting some thunderstorms here. Frontal system's kind of in this direction right here as it tracks on through. Some gusty wind, a burst of rain turning to snow, a quick coating to some places as much as an inch of snow. Just like that, within an hour or less, as that frontal system moves on through. That curlicue you see offshore, that's going to go by to our south tomorrow. So there's the front coming in. It's about 11 o'clock tonight. You see it push on through with a burst of rain turning to snow. Then we're partly cloudy during the day. Saturday could be a snow shower late in the day, but I wouldn't, that's not a major part of the forecast. And then on Sunday, again, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. So we get a return to the sunshine over the weekend. But look at the snow accumulation. East of Boise is the best place to get that coating of snow. 5 inches of snow could fall in Cascade. How about that? And then the 8 to 14 day outlook, colder than average. This goes into the March 5th time frame. And we could have, I still see numerous storms coming in. So that wetter than normal weather might start to sneak its way to the south. So good news there. We need the moisture. We may still be getting it. So a burst of snow tonight, then mostly sunny during the day on Saturday with a high temperature right around 38 degrees. Quick check at that mountain forecast. We do have 2 or 3 inches of snow potentially tonight. And then McCall, you see at 28 degrees tomorrow with some lingering snow showers. Weekend forecast, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. Temperatures warming from 38 to 41 on Sunday. Monday, 48 degrees. All the rest of that snow in your yard should be gone. And maybe we see some snow showers next Friday, Don. So climbing uphill a little bit, at least for a little while.
Yeah, get a little closer to spring, a little bit. All right, thanks, Scott.